Hello Planet Mashers and welcome back to the channel. It finally happened. I created my September plan with me well in advance and I cannot wait to share it with you. In case you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Okay, let's get planning. So I'm using my Archer and Olive journal, and I'll also be using some stickers and washi tape from September monthly kits, and some pens and markers, and actually we'll be using some craft paper. All the supplies, of course, will be linked in the description, so be sure to check it if you want to know what I used. Okay, so I don't really have the exact name for this theme, but I am using all the things from Archer and Olive September monthly kits, which kind of have their own theme, and I think eventually it should be called something like gardening or harvest or something like that. I just really like the color palette here, and I loved all the stickers and washis. So it basically came out as like a complete theme. The only thing I needed to add was some colors of markers that would fit the theme, and I think I chose pretty good one. I got a little bit lazy on the cover page. I wrote September too big, so I added 22, the year, instead of finishing out the word, but I think eventually it came out looking nice, especially with all these cute stickers. For the monthly log, I really went with the same format I used last month because it just was a great format that worked for me so well. So there's gonna be like a calendar type monthly log here, and on the right I have a space for this like my big monthly to-do list or brain dump, however you want to call it. So that was really easy to set up, and I must say that I think this monthly log is probably my favorite page in this whole setup. The stickers just really bring it together, and I think the colors I chose really match the colors of the stickers. And I think generally I just really enjoy using this format again after I kind of couldn't use this format in a square journal because, well, square journal is very different. So I kind of had to come up with something else. But now that I'm back to A5, it's kind of nice that I can do these kind of things as well. That being said, I'm still hoping to go back to my square journal in the next bullet journal, but for now I'm just gonna enjoy little benefits of using my A5 format again. For the monthly to-do or like monthly brain dump, however you want to call it, I'm using a piece of craft paper since I decided that it's going to be kind of like a big thing of my monthly theme, and I just generally like the way craft paper looks on fall themed setups. It just has this cozy feel and I really enjoy it. And I think it fits very well with like the color scheme of the stickers and the washi. So there's that. Probably the only thing I wish I did differently in this monthly log is that sticker I just added, because I feel like I added a little bit too high. I wish I stuck it a little bit lower. Now to my trackers. And this time I figured a way to have my habit trackers and my mood tracker all on one page. So again, I'm having those separate trackers for each habit. And this time September has 30 days. So I thought it's a perfect excuse to have like one of those formats where you have 15 days in each line. And for the mood tracker, I have those circles, and I'm gonna stick those little stickers with the dates inside. So the color for the mood will kind of be around the date, but within a circle. I really am so happy that they had those date stickers on Archer and Olive, because honestly, adding dates is the most time-consuming thing ever. And I'm happy that I could use stickers this time. And yeah, I tried some washi tape and I didn't like the way it looked. So I went back to that green kind of washi tape. I just really like this one. And I still had to add all the numbers to all the trackers, which kind of took forever. And I made a little mistake there, but not a big deal. And I'm happy with the way it ended up looking. The only thing I want to say is that I wish for trackers page or gratitudes page, which I'm creating right now, I actually used some craft paper. But oh well, that's the way it came out, and I'll just try to use more craft paper while I'm doing my weeklies. And that's my September. Let me know in the comments what theme you chose this month, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!